In this week's Ray Proud Moments, we recap the global success of Jamaican singer Andrew Donalds.
Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Ray & Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. In 1995, the world was shaken by the hit single Michelle by Jamaican singer Andrew Donalds. After the song's success in the US and Europe, Andrew charted several hit singles in Europe, and he later joined the European group Enigma as their lead singer. To date, Andrew has released 5 solo albums, and he continues to perform with Enigma to sold-out shows in parts of Europe. He now resides between Jamaica, New York City, and Germany. The success of Andrew Donalds worldwide and his massive hit single Michelle is indeed a Ray Proud moment. Ray Proud Moments is brought to you by Ray & Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
Let's now head on over to St. Lucia for this week's Caribbean video. Here's Leave by Teddyson John.
Tell me what you do in there. Look at you, want you. You know what to do. Situation bad, but you holding on to this thing that pulling you down. Set it free, be free. You deserve to be happy. You are afraid to leave your comfort zone and think of what it could be. What you doing there? You know you're not good there. You better move from there and start thinking about yourself. Well, it can only get better if you want to make it better. And you are a winner. Pack your bag and keep there. Don't look back and keep there. And if you're running from that, not going back. Run away from that, not going back. Run away from that, not going back. Everybody sing your happy song. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Ba-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Ba-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Ba-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, leave that there. Oh, look at you, yes you. You got to know your value. Every day you say and you're leaving, Jack, but something they have you going back. Being free, free. Stop faking like you're happy. Don't worry about to say this or that. The man in the mirror say, what you doing there? You know you're not good there. You better move from there and start thinking about yourself. Well, it can only get better if you want to make it better. And you are a winner. Pack your bag and keep it.
And before we go, it's time to see if your favorite song made the cut on the Magnum Top 10 chart.
That me make for bad song I play, pull it up now. Good body girl, broke out. Big walk up in this way.
Hey, how you ready to go party? Yeah, roll out the bands on the hard day. Be a rich gal like Cardi. My money enough, so
Yes, cool, Canada, body at California, you're not shape. Like Arizona, more like Coca-Cola. Throw you back the firm, me feel a good, they wanna polar. Taxi man alone can pick you up in a Corolla.
No girl don't want you. Bobby not the Oxy, I mean not the Prada. Psst, running, you know, hear me the call you. She a good and no pens to the muse draw you. I'm a pro good.
Pull a shirt and my damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we a bruff. When I drink out the cup, that we pop cock. Pull a shirt.
We got some money fever. My girl from the diva.
Big Benz park up.
And the theater. 6:14 where you leave.
Cheap and
I'll get on you, get your money longer. Ready, broke pocket now work. Straight from the narrow now, make no wrong turn. Get the
brand new clock, 4 foot. Every girl pass shook one down a rock. Brand new clock, 4 foot. Oh, we go. Me go make a link pan the pan, pushing on me new one.
Anywhere me go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know say the thing well up, yeah.
Straight leather belt, automatic and a mag.
We still a beat them, but
Drive out now the jag, watch the rest of them a jag. Running from the mob.
no one them a mud.
I feel make it in a life. Money, I'm a slave.
And that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Chrissy. Until next time, walk good.
Your body is so good. Your
body is so right. Your body is so good. Wanna see your blueprint.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some a gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take
charge.
Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, Magnum.